Hello. Hi, Lavanya. Good morning. Hope you're doing good. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, Lavanya. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I hope you are able to see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In today's session, we'll try to execute ERP structure. Means we'll be having sales organization, distribution channel, division, right? While creating sales order, we are trying to maintain all these areas like sales organization, distribution channel, division. While creating customer, we used to make company code, right? We need to maintain. So how these units are maintained? For this, we need to create a structure, ERP structure. So in this ERP structure, we have to define all these areas, sales area, company, company code, along with plant, shipping point, storage location, and warehouse. So in order to create this ERP structure, first we need to define, okay, then assign. First step, define. Second step, assign. Then third step will be consistency check. Now, how? Now, let's assume we have a company. Okay, Sri Enterprises Private Limited company as a manufacturing company. What exactly this manufacturing company will be? For manufacturing stationery items like pen, pencil, paper, etc. So in this company, will be having all organization units that is finance, logistics general, sales and distribution, logistic execution, human resource, plant maintenance, likewise. Now, let's try to define sales and distribution. How? Any customizations that we do will be using via transaction code SPRO. This is the SAP screen. We'll try to go for T code SPRO, enter SAP reference IMG, which is customizing or executing project. Click onto this icon, reference IMG. Here, we can see here, ERP structure, enterprise structure. Click onto this node. We can see here, define option, assignment option, and consistency check. Click onto this define node, financial accounting, controlling, logistics general, sales and distribution, material management, logistics general, plant maintenance, HR. In previous session, we have already defined sales organization, distribution channel, sales office, sales group. Shall we redo it again or shall we skip this? Okay, fine. Now, let's try to maintain a company code. Here in the financial accounting, click onto this financial accounting node. Here, edit, copy, delete, check company code. What we need to define? A company code. Let me show you here. This is the structure. We need to define a company code. This. Here, company code. Let's make empty code with LX01. Here, third option. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. Click on execute. Click onto this execute icon. Here, edit company code. Double click on this. Select this 1000, click on to copy. I'll make this as LX01. Here, company code, city, and currency, and language. Enter. An entry already exists. Okay, have you done this? LX01? Lavanya,
Sir.
have you done this company code?
Yeah.
Already you did, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so as this already been done, we won't be able to make with the same reference. Okay, let's skip this one. So here, if I get to the position, company code LX01, click on select this and click on to this details icon. Okay, fine. Now this is company code has been done. Now let's try to create a production plant with reference LX01. Let's go back, close this. So we are done with the financial accounting. Click on to this logistics general node, define, copy, delete, check, plant. Click on to this execute icon, define plant, double click on this, click on to position. Have you created this plant also?
Sir. No.
Fine. Let me check here. So there is no plant. What I'll do is, we have two options. Either I can go for new entries tab, okay, or what we can do is we'll select this 1000 standard, okay, select this, click on this copy icon. Let's make plant reference as LX01. Let's give a name as production plant and report IN. Sorry. Let's not maintain this. Just hit enter. Let's maintain here as general details. Plant postal code. Here, number of entries has been copied. Let's try to save this. Click on to this create request. In logistics general, we have customized a plant. We need to save this request number and save it. Okay. Any doubt in this production plant customization? Lavanya,
Sir.
Any
Am I
doubt in
audible?
yes?
No, sir.
Any doubt in this production plant?
No, 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 sir.
Okay. Now moving further, let's go back. Here. Next, what we need to do is we need to define the divisions. Okay. Here we can see define copy delete check option, right? Click on to execute, define division. Here, division, let's make one for pencil, sorry, one for pen, L1, pencils for L2, papers for L3. Instead of these three, let's make one general one for all items, LX. Click on to new entries, division LX, and name this as items 3. Click on to save icon, create request. In logistics general, we have created divisions. Data was saved. So far, we have created a production plant with LX01 and division. And with regards to this company code, we have already created. Moving further, here, sales and distribution, we already did. Click on to this material management. As of now, we don't need this one, okay? Let's skip this. In logistic execution, we need to define a shipping point. Here, define copy, delete, check shipping point, execute, define shipping point, double click on this. Here, select 1000, click on to copy as. Let's make this shipping point as LX01. Click on to this save icon. In logistic execution, we have customized shipping point. Click on to save. Now, moving further, let's maintain one storage location, which is in material management. Close this. Here in the material management, here maintain storage location. Click on to execute option. We have plant, right? LX01. Continue. Click on to select this storage location. Click on to new entries. Maintain LX01. Select this, double click on this, no need. Select. We have maintained one entry with reference LX01 as storage location. Click on to save. Create request. In storage location LX01. Save it. Go back. So in the financial entry, we have maintained a work company code. In logistics general, we have maintained a production plant and division. In material management, we have maintained a storage location. In logistics, a shipping point. So in these areas, any doubt?
ఇప్పుడు డివిజన్స్ అనేది 1 చేశారు కదా సార్ మీరు. మోర్ దాన్ 2 అలా కూడా చూపించవచ్చు.
Yes, we can have multiple. So let's go for the division. Click on to division. We have made, okay, one common division as LX. Let's try to, here already there is L1, L2, L3. ఎవరో చేసేసారు ఆల్రెడీ, ఇది డిఫైన్ చేసేసారు. ఓకే, let's have our own a general one, LX. This is ours which we have created. We won't be able to create L1, L2, L3 also, okay, as somebody has already created. Still we can use this, okay. As of now, let's consider this LX. Any other doubt?
Okay.
Yeah. Now, as we are done with the definition part, means all the operation units has been defined. Now, the next step is assignment. Means all these organization needs to be integrated. Mapping. We need to assign to each other. How? In this area, let's close this definition. Click onto this assignment node. Here we can see finance, controlling, logistics general, sales and distribution, material management, LE, logistic execution, plant maintenance, and human resource. Ours area is sales and distribution. Click onto this node. Here we can see assign sales organization to company code. Execute. Okay. Click onto this position. Our sales organization LX01, right? For this sales organization, we need to assign connecting with company code. Enter. Okay. Now save it. So create the request. In SD, we have made assigned sales of to company code. And save it. Let's go back. Now assign distribution channel to sales organization. Click onto this execute. Click onto this position. We have sales organization LX01. Okay. So there is no. We are not able to see our sales organization here LX01. Let's try to make a new entries. Click on to new entries. Our sales organization is LX01. What's the distribution channel we have defined? Distribution channel is LX. Okay. Enter. One entry chosen. Let's save this. Create. Assign sales of to distribution channel. Save it. We are done with the 2 assignments. 1, 2. Let's move on to the third assignment. Assign division to sales organization. Execute. Click on to new entries. Our sales organization LX01. Division LX. Okay. Click on to save. Create request. In SD. Assign sales of to division. So we are done with the 3 assignments. Move on to the 4th assignment, setting up sales area. What is sales area? It's a combination of sales
sales
from
or
distribution channel division. Click on to execute. Click new entries, sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Enter. Click on to save. Click on to this create account request. In the SD, we have created save it. We are done with the 4 assignments. Let's move on to the next assignment, assigning sales office to sales area. Execute. Click on to this new entries, sales organization, distribution channel, division, and sales office, LX01. Click on to this save icon, create request. Here in SD, we have assign sales area to sales office. We are done with the 5 assignments. Let's move on to the next assignment, assigned sales group to sales office. Execute. Click on to new entries, sales office LX01 and sales office LX1. This one. Enter. Click on to this save icon, create request in SD, sign, sales group. We can have a description as per our requirement. Okay. Let's move on to the next assignment. Assign sales organization, distribution channel, and plant. Execute. New entries, sales organization, distribution channel, and we have plant as reference LX01. Don't enter children, click on to save. Create request. And sales on assign sales organization, description channel, and plant. And this description we can have as our own. Okay, need not to worry. Enter and save it. So we have done assignments for the sales and distribution. Sales organization to company code, distribution channel to sales organization, division to sales organization. We have made sales area, then sales office to sales area, sales group to sales office, sales organization to distribution channel, and plant. So here, if we see here this structure, this sales organization has been assigned to company code, which is finance, has been assigned to plant, which is production plant, logistic execution, shipping point, storage location, All these areas are interlinked, mapped, connected in the customization or configuration. Now, any doubts in this area? Sales and distribution assignment.
House.
Okay. Now click onto this logistics center. Okay. Now this plant assigned plant to company code means this plant has to be connected to the company code. Click onto this assign plant to company code, execute. Click onto new entries. We have company code LX01, plant LX01. Enter. Click onto save. Create a request. In the logistics general, we have save it. Here we have assigned company code to plant. Back. Okay, now we have this storage location, right? This storage location need to be assigned to the plant. Here, material management. Okay, let's skip this. We don't need. In logistics center, sorry. In logistics center, we need to assign shipping point. Okay, assign shipping point to plant. Click on to execute. Click onto this search icon. We have created a plant, right? What was that code? Sorry,
Election.
let's 01 and continue. We can see here production plant, right? Double click on this. Okay, and we need to assign which one? This shipping point. So click onto this assign icon. Search for our shipping point, which is LX01. Here we can see right here LX01 shipping point. Select this checkbox. Continue. We can see here this shipping point got assigned to production plant LX01 and click on to save. In logistic execution, we have sign. Okay, so we have assigned this shipping point SD area logistics central. Any doubts in these areas? Hello.
Hello, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Now, so we are done with the definition part, assignment part. Okay. Now we have created this company code, right? So we have defined organization units. Then we have assigned to all the units. Let's check this consistency check. Means the structure which we have created. Let's see, is it getting all the units into this sequence? So for that, we have transaction code EC01. Okay. Click onto this structure, navigation, continue. Okay. I'll do it again once again. /n EC01. Click onto structure icon, then navigation, Continue. Here, we need to search, right? Which company we need to search? LX01, which we have created with reference LX01. Continue. We can see here LX01. Click onto this. Click on this. We can see here we have created one company. We have created one company. I didn't create it. I think you created this one. Okay. Then we have plant and sales organization. In the sales organization, if I click onto this expand button, we can see a distribution channel, sales organization distribution assignment, and company code. Again, if I click onto this node, we can see here sales area. Again, sales office, then sales group. This is related to the sales. Close it. Then we have production plant. Under this production plant, we have subnode, storage area, company code, distribution channel, and shipping point. The reason behind is we have assigned, we have connected, we have made integration with our unit. For that reason, these subnodes are getting. Then let's skip this credit control as of now. Then we have a company. You created this company?
Also writing
Okay.
credit control.
You did this credit control?
No, sir, no.
Okay, fine. Okay, let's go with this LX01. Any dots in this? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Okay, any dots in this definition assignment part and consistency check? Okay.
No.
We'll take a 5 minutes break. Okay, we'll reconnect back. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Chalo, bye.